Library or LibGuides can be found at the Spiva Library website or in the Spiva Library organization in Blackboard. They are listed by subject. Honors 298 is an example developed by Kayla Reed and Rachel Mullen. It's sectioned into tabs at the top with resources and information for each topic. Another example is Western Civilization, developed by Diana Fordham. It has tabs for history resources, library research methods, how to find articles, reports, and documents, and then course topics, and fake news, and keeping them honest. In Blackboard, students can access LibGuides via a direct web link to Spiva Library's resource page, or the entire LibGuide can be embedded within Blackboard. Students can click through the resources without ever having to leave their class. Thanks for watching.